How to open a crypto account on Wealthsimple. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to open a crypto account on Wealthsimple, here is how you can do it. First and foremost, launch the Wealthsimple app on your mobile device. Make sure you have updated the app to its latest version. Once that is done, provide in your email and password to get logged in. In order to verify, you will also have to give in the verification code that has been sent on your primary number or the email address. So make sure to type in the 6-digit code correctly to get logged in. Once you have logged in, on the main screen tap on the option Add an account. Tapping on it should take you to another page with list of options. Select Trade Stocks option and Crypto from the list of account types, and from there you should be able to tap on Crypto. Once that is done, tap on Continue when prompted. Once that is done, you'll have to review the disclosures and agreements, check the confirmation box and tap Continue again. Answer the questions about your experience with cryptocurrency trading, indicate whether you have used any products or services for trading or investing, and enter details about your household income, savings, and property values and assets. Once you have done all of this, select how do you plan to use the account and confirm the information. After this, you can make an initial deposit in your crypto account, or you can alternatively tap maybe later to skip this step. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.